You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Tuesday after gains from strong data were offset by a rise in the risk appetite, which reduced safety flows. The greenback ended the day 1.3804 to the euro and 102.60 to the yen. Today's data includes manufacturing PMI, which is expected to rise to 56 in April, and new home sales, which are expected to remain unchanged at 0.4 million in April. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday after demand for peripheral bonds increased ahead of landmark Portuguese bond sale, revealing an improved outlook for the eurozone. The single currency ended the day 1.3804 to the dollar and 141.64 to the yen. Today's data includes manufacturing and services PMI, which are expected to remain unchanged in April, as well as news from the Portuguese bond sale, which is scheduled for today. British pound. The pound rose on Tuesday as a result of speculation that the soon-to-be-released BOE meeting minutes would show the policy committee discussing a rate rise. Sterling ended the day 1.6822 to the dollar and 0.8204 to the euro. Today's data includes public sector borrowing, data from Consortium of British Industry, and aforementioned BOE minutes. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday after risk appetite rose following increased mergers and acquisitions heaped on Wall Street, as well as commentary from BOJ Deputy Governor Nakaso, who said the downturn in the eurozone had bottomed out. The Japanese currency ended the day 102.60 to the dollar and 172.60 to the pound. Today's data includes the Corporate Services Price Index, which is expected to remain unchanged at 0.7% in March. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3785 with targets at 1.3835 and 1.3865 in extension. Below 1.3785, we should look for further downside with 1.377 and 1.375 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.6785 with targets at 1.6845 and 1.6865 in extension. Below 1.6785, which will look for further downside with 1.6077 and 1.6075 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 102.3 with targets at 102.7 and 102.95 in extension. Below 102.3, which will look for further downside with 102.05 and 101.85 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chang. You'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.